Russia is continuing to make mistakes, which Ukrainians make sure they pay heavily for. Being within striking range with larger troop formation, making a single surveillance drone all it takes to make it a disaster for them. With Ukraine sending 3 rockets, the first a cluster version, striking both trucks and troops, with a precision unitary warhead following by 1 more cluster version. With the body of the GMLRS rocket can be seen hitting the water, with the cluster munition coming in a few moments later, making 3 very good strikes on another of Russia's mistakes, leaving a lot less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.